Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by to show a couple cards that I made using the Not Too Shabby March 2023 Paper Pad Club of the Month. This month you get two paper pads as always. The first one is Spring Gingham. Who doesn't love a good gingham? And they're pretty colors. I really like that. And then also Spring Tulips. Has lots of pretty florals in there, but also some solids and some like gray polka dots and stripes, which is what I use today. Very versatile, very pretty. I forgot, this one also has some cutouts, so you can either cut them out or put them on your scan and cut them out so they could be your focal points. So again, those are the two, Spring Gingham and Spring Tulips. And then for my cards today, I also brought in the Spring is in the Air stamp set. I just love this stamp set so much. It's just so cute and perfect for spring. For my first card, use that little ducky, and I used the Spring Tulips paper, which you're probably like, but that's gray, and it was so colorful. I just thought it would be fun to use the gray papers that were in there and have the duck just kind of pop out with his red umbrella and boots. I don't know if you can see, I also had a glossy accent to those, so they'd kind of shimmer and shine. Just a couple matte enamel dots. And then the inside was just with that die. I don't know if you can see it. It's the wonky stitch die. So there's the first one, and that used that Spring Tulips. Love that little duck. And then the second one uses the Spring Gingham. Again, that same stamp set. I just used the bunny this time. And I paper pieced the umbrella so that it would match the papers, and he has little yellow rain boots on. I'm here, rain or shine. Again, those enamel dots. And then I just did a little cluster in the middle in there of some pennants, banners, whatever. Words are always hard, you know that. So there are my two cards that I created using the Paper Pad Club from Not Too Shabby for March 2023. All links to products I used will be in the description box below. Again, Spring Gingham and Spring Tulips. And then the stamp set is Spring in the Air. All right. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you have a fabulous day. I'll be back at the end of the month for one more video for Not Too Shabby, sharing the same paper pads, but maybe a different stamp set. Have a great day. Go do something crafty.